everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to sign up for GoDaddy. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. GoDaddy is an American publicly traded internet domain registrar and web hosting company headquartered in Arizona. GoDaddy has more than 20 million customers and over 7,000 employees worldwide. In order to sign up for GoDaddy, go to your web browser and in the search box type in www.godaddy.com. This is the official site of GoDaddy. Now to sign up, tap on the profile icon at the upper right and tap on Create My Account. To create an account, enter your email address first, and on the next field, you can enter a username. After you choose a username, make sure the username matches the following credentials and tap on the password field. Create a strong password for your account, and after you're done, tap on Create Account. That is how you can sign up for GoDaddy.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.